What's up, everyone? Welcome to Top Speed 717. This is the final project video for the NSX that we're going to be doing. This is by far the last video of the NSX that's going to be on the channel, but project-wise, we're pretty much wrapping it up at this point. We came across another new vehicle that hopefully you guys are going to be super pumped about. I know we are. It's kind of similar to something we already have, but couldn't pass it up, and look forward to the video coming up a little bit later on this week. I wanted to get this part 5 posted a little bit sooner. I know it's been quite a few days since we posted anything, but I was on vacation in Florida and just didn't have a lot of time. And follow along on any new projects we may be starting or sweet cars we may be featuring on the channel. Thanks.
I had to get a little clip of her pulled into the garage for once too. So this is pretty exciting for me. This is awesome. And I just want to touch base with you guys too. Got a little more projects, a couple more projects going on here. We got a Cayenne turbo. Got the motor out of it. It's definitely it's a project. We're going to hopefully get a little bit of footage of putting this thing back together. Not really looking forward to it, but we got some good techs and stuff like that, so these guys are good, so she should be back and running in no time. I'm gonna show you the turbos for it at least and stuff like that, but I don't even see them. But she's a turbo with a pile of parts here. There's a turbo hanging on the motor right there. I don't think the other one's on the other side. Oh, there's a turbo right there. Good. But it's the next little project. Got some iForged wheels for it. Might throw them on it. Don't know if we're gonna really drive this thing or not, or what we're doing with it, but it'd be nice to have a little twin turbo Cayenne to the fleet. Alright, everyone. Project NSX. She is getting there. She is getting there. I am pumped. Until next time. We're gonna put the exhaust on it today. You saw the old exhaust. She's totally gone, totally busted. Got holes in the top of her. So we got this exhaust here from Top Speed. We'll see how she works out. I like the simplicity of it, and I like that they're just resonators in it, so hopefully she won't be too much quieter than a straight piped car. It says right now the car's basically straight piped, and I don't hate how it sounds. So we'll see how she goes on. We'll do some sound clips next, and we did some sound clips of the old exhaust, so hopefully she'll be on here in about an hour. None of my techs are around today, so I'm gonna do it myself, so maybe she'll be on in like 2 hours. All right, so here's the exhaust again. And another thing, yes, we are going to put jack stands underneath the car, so don't get scared. I won't get totally under it until they're under it. So yes, there's that broken part too, and some people are asking me if it's broken twice, and it is broken twice. It's broken right there. I don't know how well you can really see that. Totally broken. So she'll sound different. She sounds better, I don't know. You guys be the judge. What's really going on here? Is this the original version of the top speed exhaust? Either way, she should sound a lot cleaner. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Project NSX. We got the exhaust on. She's on there all shiny and stuff like that. I'm sure it's hard to see, but pretty pumped about how she looks. She went on good. I didn't try to really fine tune anything, so I'll go over it and try to make sure everything looks a little better than two. Maybe that tip looks like it could be whatever. Basically bought this exhaust due to price, so yeah, get what you pay for. Definitely not upset with it at all, but I wanted to do the initial startup for you guys too. Sorry for all the carnage and everything here. Pretty sweet. So far so good. I like it. Didn't really take too long either. Like I said, I didn't fine tune anything either. All the bolts broke off, of course, and what you would expect when doing the exhaust pretty much from a car of this age. She should still pretty much be warmed up. I mean, it probably only took me about 45 minutes. So give her a little bit here and then we'll rev her up here. Yeah, I like that. Sounds pretty good. We'll get some actual footage on the road too and see how she sounds when we do the drive-by and everything like that. Sorry guys for your wolf blanket. You'll have this. But yeah, so yeah, that was the top speed muffler, exhaust, whatever. There they are. Actually just got it on eBay. It's pretty cheap. One of the cheaper ones out there, so I'm pumped. Do some drive-bys. We just did the initial startup. Now I lowered it off the jack stands, took the jacks out, took some of the tools out. I want to back the car out and clean up the garage. It's driving me crazy. But yeah, overall, I like the exhaust. It's cool. It's whatever. It's cheap. All good. I'm going to do another startup for you guys. Just so we have roughly the same angle we had before. definitely more to come. We'll have some driving shots of her. Definitely plan on getting a little crazy with the camera mounts and the driving, so hopefully the good stuff's yet to come. Here we are back in the NSX. Figured to take it for a hot lap, see how she sounds. She sounds pretty good. She sounds a lot smoother. It's not as loud. Whatever. I don't really care. I'm just glad the exhaust isn't falling off. Kind of almost like how it sounded before, but we got her on her. This guy coming there, it's all tractor trailer or something. Hopefully you guys can see that tack. What's going on here? I don't like all this action. Alright guys, hang on. Sounds good. What's up everyone? Welcome back. Here we are with the NSX. We got her polished out a little bit. This is basically just probably step one, I guess. Did some clay bar on her, and then I don't know what kind of pad it was, some kind of that cuts into it. You can see a little bit that we still have some more work to do, but overall she's looking great. I don't know how fanatic I'm gonna get with the paint. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the you know, full paint correction and whatnot, but I did drive it back from there too, so hit a couple bugs here and there. Overall, you can see that finish looks great. We're gonna take her to a little car meet tomorrow, so just wanted to show you a little bit. I'll probably break her out in the daylight tomorrow too, so you can see it a little better. I know you can't see much underneath these lights. I can't either, to be honest with you too. I mean, like I said, we polished it out all night tonight, so I'm sure tomorrow she's gonna look totally different. But she's looking good. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna get too carried away with paint protection and if I'm gonna ceramic coat it or anything crazy like that. We're basically just touch up some stuff and get it buffed and polished out and a good coat of wax on it. Maybe go from there. Because I do want to drive the car and stuff like that. So maybe when I start parking it for a longer period of time, maybe that's when we'll go with a full paint correction and then just make her a garage queen. But as of right now, there she is. I mean, still a couple little dings on her here and there and stuff like that, but what do you expect? You guys know where this car came from and you know how it was looking, so you can see she's come a long way. So that's all I gotta show you guys tonight. Tomorrow we'll break her back out, and then I'm still getting that exhaust broken in and stuff like that too, so she might sound a little different for you guys after this ride. It's probably gonna be about 120 miles round trip tomorrow, so nothing crazy, but there she is.